bit of a job today on this M4. Got mold growing on the leather interior. Not good. But we can sort this out. We'll just get the steamer on. And we'll start with some Tri-Clean on the belt. Give it a bit of a steam. A bit of a wipe there. And then wipe all the excess off. We'll steam the seats there. Give them a good old scrub. Getting it off. Get in all the crevices there. Rubbing all that down, steaming the leather again, get rid of all any germs, all along this top section here. See how dirty the cloth is. Right into the middle section, getting in every nook and cranny here. Onto the other side, spray some Tri-Clean with a clean cloth. Wipe all this down and you'll see how much dirt this has already picked up. In every crevice again. Same process on this side. We'll spray it, we'll steam it, and then we'll wipe all the excess off. Not much audio on this because the lads are working in the background and all you can hear is their machines. But yeah, job done. It's all looking now fresh, cleaned. Looks amazing. A little bit of staining left unfortunately, but we've done what we can and hopefully the customer's happy.